Rock Island State Park, and we are about to run the Spout Waterfalls down there. Can't see them from here, but 25 feet. That's the next step up for us, is a 25 footer. So we're getting ready to go run that. And I got Grady, Kenny, Dally, and Brody, myself, and a bunch of Team Jackson here. So we're in good hands. Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Spout we ran right over there. That one.
I went off the waterfall a bit too slowly, and I went straight down right with the flow, slammed straight into a rock.
Look at that.
It really did not hurt. Come on, let me try. Please turn! I'll make it.
His little Christmas present from his aunt.
Trail.
Big yawn.
Which one do you get on your phone, South phone?
Look at Kobe! Look at those eyes!
I'm just taking that.
You think he goes...
We made it to DC!
Yeah.
The March for Life! You should have seen the whole line of buses here. So many buses just lined up, and there's just enough space. I parallel parked our bus, fit like a glove. It was awesome. Was that not an impressive parking job?
You are amazing.
Best you've ever seen?
Amazing. He's amazing.
Could have done it without me. I was back there. You almost hit the bus.
Well, I have to have a spotter back there so I don't hit the bus, of course.
It's like 3 inches away from hitting the
What? 3 inches, see? That's how tight it was. And we've got a parking space. Went to bed at like 2 a.m. That's what time we drove all the way up here from Rock Island yesterday at noon. Yesterday at noon.
Didn't make it.
Almost didn't make it.
Our van's dead. Our pipes are frozen. Our tank is frozen. But we're here.
Allie! You're all bundled up. Are you warm? Yeah? Are you having fun? Yeah, I can't even see you except for your nose. Oh, there's your foot. I can't even see you except for your face, Ellie. You're all bundled up. Look, when you blow air in between them, it brings them closer.
So blow it here. Blow the air here.
What are you kids doing? Get down off there. Who said you could climb up that?
That's what it's going to say. That's what it's going to say when the cop drives up.
Here comes the cops.
Whose kid's blown?
They're right down the road.
Cops coming! Cops are coming! Go! Run! Hurry! Jump! Quick! Jump!
What are you doing? There ain't no cops.
Dally, hang on the hat.
Hold on.
I'm hiding!
Hope it doesn't break off.
Jump! Come on!
Brody, you're gonna make him fall. Oh. Kid down. We lost one.
Thought it was really good. That's just the light, huh? Hey, Rowdy. What's the snakes?
Hello, Mommy.
It's all his spikes up. If you step on this fish, he's poisonous, and all those little spines go into you and make you poisonous.
Hey, Mommy, there's 2 baby fish. Over there. Mommy, that's funny. That one's actually not even fish.
What'd you think of the aquarium? It was cool. Not sure it was worth the price, but whatever. We ran into a cop before we went there, and he said, "Don't go, don't go." So we went. Hi, you. What'd you get?
I don't know.
It'll be good though, right? We were just gonna get drinks.
Dance with me straight. What are y'all eating?
We were just getting drinks. And then we got, what is that?
Cinnamon cream cake.
Does it have cream in it? Pass that on over. Hungry. I'm not even hungry, it sounds good. This is what you look like after spending the whole night. When you leave the house at midnight and you don't come back until 8 something the next morning. We could probably leave her here.
Pick her up a week from now.
She'd still be right there.
Looks like you're the party animal.
There's the party animal right there.
And they thought the Beatles crossing the street with them.
That is not right. It's not right. Just not right. There's a sniper up there. That man's a sniper.
Let me see, Ems. Look at me. Yay! Okay, follow Dina. Dina owns the dance company in Richmond, or Mechanicsville, and outside of Richmond. And she's gonna put Emmy in a class. Yep.
And then that's Kobe. Hey, Buzz. How are you?
How's the weekend? Awesome. Yes.
I'm never gonna hear the end of this now.
Yeah, you know she's gonna want to dance every day.
Yep.
I'll have to get some, Emmy. We are out, sweetie. I don't know how I missed that. You can use, if somebody we've got clean real cups in my office if somebody wants. Let's see. He was born Halloween Day.
He's almost 3 months.
Is he a good baby?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, yes, it's Dina's college best friend. She's like, that's so awesome.
This is better than a cat.
What's better than getting a cat?
Dancing.
Really? And all the goodies that Dina gave you? Oh, you're so lucky. Better than a cat.
And it's funner than getting a cat.
Much funner.
He's a youth minister.
Look at her big smile.
Start something, couldn't find anybody else to collaborate. Every time I was supposed to go to court, they didn't.
Watching the door, Emily's.
I said,
They're watching the door. They're watching the window from the door.
And I was like, it's over in the side of the room. I'm like, oh, that's Hannah laying down.
Hannah did her own
I'm like,
thing.
that's our first year.
They'll use it and make whatever. Like one day Mason wasn't feeling good or needed something.
but that's.
Y'all were awesome and took down our website. First time ever that we ever had a website crash or a dance hall server crash. So God bless you all. Thank you for all the support you're showing us. I can't even begin to tell you how much we appreciate it. But right now we are in Mechanicsville, Virginia. This is going to be our second home with Matt the Awesome.
They're hired.
They're hired.
They're hired.
We're just paying it forward. They're letting us stay in their house. They're feeding us. They're showering us.
So Dan, the next thing we're going to take the undertaking is the RV. We're washing the RV.
Are we really?
Yeah, we're going to at least wash the front end of it.
Yeah.
Who wants some soap?
It is about 70 degrees here today. Unbelievably warm. We're so psyched. Water fight.
All right, keep the suns out there. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
my back.
All right. And don't spray in the garage.
Matt's
That's
packing.
The good thing about being in the garage is you can...
Everybody in the garage.
Oh, that's a dud.
Throw it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. That thing for a couple of years. Now I got to go trade it in for my Uzis.
Emmy's still sporting her dance company shirt. Hi, Ems. Emmy. Emmy, you want to wash the car? Go down. Take off your tights and run down there. Cardi's doing school. You want to do this real quick, Cardi? You want to do the car? That's Lindsay. Say hey to the camera, Lindsay.
Hi.
Hi.
Give me the face.
She and Kenny are the same age.
Oh, it's crazy.
Let's go, sweetie. Come on over here and get wet.
I'm not shooting you.
We're hiding from the water.
Let's go. You guys have to hold that. Hey. Hold that. Baby.
Don't break the car, man. It's 2012. We want to sell it and make a little money off of it. We need to, yeah, we need to take this to the playground. ASAP right now. Oh, yeah, go. Now, 3 blocks that way.
Stop, please.
Who was the brilliant person who put our kids behind a hose?
My wife, and she's not here. She's
Thank you, Phil.
There's Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Is he the most beautiful baby ever? He's just going.
Mommy.
Phil, what? I didn't see no sign. What sign? You better not put that on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube. Everything goes on YouTube, Matt.
Mommy, make a wish. Mommy.
That's Rowdy.
Should I go in now?
Yeah, go. Watch out for other people.
In Missoula, Montana, on one of the kayaking events, there was this playground where it was made out of